This is the view from our garden of Strathfenella Hill. The garden radiates out in a kind of semicircle from the house. So I'm standing with my back to the house and I'll just pan round and show you most of the garden. That's the vegetable garden we're seeing over there, the box hedge in front of it. And here are fruit trees. And another hedge made of yew this time, absolutely covered in tropaeolum. We have these hedges to kind of break up the wind a bit. And here we have a sort of alpine rock garden and our polytunnel. And keep panning round. The big herbaceous border, the pond in the middle of it, and the view down the glen. This area over here is where we have our soft fruit bushes. The trunk of a big beech tree that shadows part of the garden. Here at Glensaugh we've made use of a lot of local stone to build lots of walls and alpine rock gardens that we have here. Beautiful dwarf phlox. Take you along this path, you can see more. This is Donald's handiwork, all this lovely stonework. And the lovely helianthemums that's out at the moment. In this corner we have our Echinopsis poppies. And the clematis climbing up into the holly bush. I'm particularly pleased with this combination of the black iris with the lime green of the euphorbia.
This is rhododendron sunken. It's very hardy. It's been in the ground for about 10 years now and is a frontline shrub. We've struggled a bit with underplanting that will suit it, but here we have Rogersea, which is everywhere in the garden. Tends to be a bit invasive. It's been damaged by frost this year. Another thing we've got lots of is epimedium. That's good weed-proof ground cover. Works. This is a rhododendron called Gomer Waterer. It's an old hybrid and we planted a group of 5. And we've also got a group of birch, which is a bit of a nurse crop. But we've used a lot of birch in the garden and it's a good short-term tree. We just keep planting them and keep cutting them down.
It's nearly the end of June now, so I'm going to show you our productive garden. On this wall here we've got some plum trees, and these are our raspberries with some broad beans there filling in a gap. And if I walk this way, here we've got various other vegetable crops, potatoes at the top there, lots of peas, and under the wraps all the brassicas. Here's Donald's lovely stone path leading up through the herbaceous border. And in amongst it all here is our pond, which is disappointingly green and slimy, but actually full of life.